Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Ali Boulor. My law partner in crime, Alex Carl, is out for a much-needed break this week. So I'm flying solo today. And I'm flying solo in particular to bring you guys an update as to what's going on as far as enforcement actions by the administration since January 20th. It's real. It's going on. It's going on in farms. It's going on in schools. It's going on in churches. I had a client yesterday from calling me from Cathedral City in California that ICE was there checking IDs as people were going in. It just creates a lot of fear. A church in Fresno, California, one of their parishioners had an anklet on and that went off. He didn't want to disturb other worshipers, so he went outside of the sanctuary, and ICE was there and arrested him. Central Valley, California, basically citrus farming at the height of harvest has stalled. There are no workers. Farmers in California, Texas, Florida, people aren't showing up in the 60, 70, 80 percentile categories. Basically, the food's being, getting to rot. People that have been here for less than 2 years, they are at risk of being picked up and processed and deported expeditiously, even if they're in the immigration removal proceedings. TPS for Venezuelans and Colombians and certain other countries in Central America, what the previous administration had extended for another 18 months, that got shortened, that got canceled, and we don't know as to how that's going to go. The Secretary of Homeland Security needs to obviously agree to that. There's nothing she wouldn't agree with the administration, so I'm assuming that's going to be canceled. So if you're in one of the TPS countries, you need to constantly check the uscis.gov website. That's the government website for all the latest updates, and that's what we do. It's changing really rapidly, all the rules and protections. It's more than ever important that you have a plan B, because somebody might not show up at the end of the day, and whoever's left needs to figure out what to do kind of urgently. So you should have an immigration attorney on speed dial to contact to get help if anybody in your family is picked up, even wrongfully. I mean, we have U.S. citizens that are being picked up. So previously in one of our videos, we suggested that people carry papers, unfortunately. You can have a passport card that verifies that you're a U.S. citizen, or your green card. You should have that to avoid all these inconveniences. And for folks who don't have those two, they are at risk, especially, like I said, if they've been here in less than 2 years, even if they're in immigration proceedings. Paroles are being canceled. Ukrainian paroles aren't being renewed. So yeah, check that website, uscis.gov website, for constant updates. Of course, you can reach out to us. We're available. We're constantly on the phone. If we don't pick up, please leave a message. We make a point of calling back every single person that left us a message. By the end of the day, we recognize the urgency, we recognize the anxiety, and we sympathize, and we're trying to help. So hang in there, be careful where you go, and know your rights. We have a video from a couple of weeks ago, before January 20th, I believe, that we discussed all the rights that you have, even as a non-immigrant, as somebody who perhaps is undocumented. You do have rights. And check our video, I think, from a couple of weeks ago. Anyway, thanks for listening. Thanks for joining. This is Ali Boulor signing off, the Boulor Carl Immigration Group, and we'll talk soon.